Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah, and today we are going to learn how to create a hover effect like this one. So firstly, you just open VS Code and create a new file. So then after that, you just write DOC as usual. And then you have to go to the body and just add a button and write something in it. So then you just save it. You just save it, copy path, then you paste it, and then also this button. But now we are going to have to style it, so you just write in the head, just before the body in the head. Then you write style. And then you can change the background color to black. So as I was saying, after that you can just write body background color black, or just any color, but it's better to use black for now. Then you can just reload your website and you'll see that. And then you have to save it and reload your website. Then you see that the background color is black, obviously. Now I'm going to change this to a more like dark blue color. And then I'm just going to add for the button so then we're going to want to style the button. So we don't want it to look like this because this one is too basic. So we're going to change the color, as in the text color. So just any color you want. So as you can see, the text color has changed, but you can barely even see. So then after that, we can change the background color to black or anything we want. So as you can see, I've changed the background color to black. So then you can change the border radius to just anything like 10 px. So then we can reload it and we'll see that it is round, of course. Then you can just change the size, or you can just change anything you want. So I'm going to change the font size to 16px and save it. And then I'm going to reload this, and then the font is bigger now. So now we're going to have to try to create Z. So now we're going to create the actual animation, the hover animation. So is that you're going to add a button hover, and then you're going to want to change, like you can change the color, the background color, border radius, or anything. So the one that we wanted to create is like this one. So to create it, firstly, you're going to want to change the size. So you can just change the padding to maybe 60 instead of 50. So then when we go back to our, and then when we save it and go back to this, then you'll see that's now the size is changing. So you can also try adding a transition. And then like 2 seconds. And the same for the hover. There, you can save it, and if you reload it, you'll see that now there's a like transition between it. You can also make it faster by changing it to 1 second, so that it will be faster. So now, as you can see, the transition is faster now. So after that, you can try changing the box shadow. So box shadow. You can just change it to something like 5 pixels. I think I could save it and reload it. But then you'll see that nothing is really happening because we haven't selected the color for the box shadow. So in the one I made, I just set the box shadow to this color. But for this one, we're going to change the box shadow to something else. So I change it to this color. And save it and reload it. Oh yes, you also have to add the second value, so it's like 5 pixel, 20 pixel. So as you can see, there's this shadow now. So in mine, I added 0, 6 pixel and 20 pixels. So you can change this one to 0, 5. You change the 5 to 6 and just leave the 20 as it is. So now, as you can see, Now there's a shadow, just like in this one. So that's basically all for today. You can edit the hover parts as much as you want. So anyways, bye.